Go ahead now, I'm listening. What's this one about?
Say hi, baby girl.
It's a semi-autobiographical story about a young boy.
Good Lord, he's still thinking.
It's just me and my cat hanging out.
Yeah, well, yeah.
We don't have nothing else to do.
Stop. We're just having banter.
Nobody
Well,
talk
one
to
day
me.
I'll have a partner that respects me.
Say hi to Kitty.
Can't wait to meet him.
Watching the show. What are you guys doing?
Right. Driver says he's 5 minutes away.
Trying to get contact out.
Can you believe it?
Doing something, right?
Out the car like a couple of posh guns. Where we've come from, fuck me.
Oh no.
Oh man, look. I know I joked.
How are you
but I'm
guys doing
sick.
today?
Proud of you. I remember when we met back up. You were fucking rock bottom, man. Now look at you.
I got it
Good
crazy
girl.
right now. Life
Nice
going
house.
on.
New book.
It's just
Massive
me and my
dog.
cat.
Always a constant.
Nobody else.
When do you think you'll be done by? With the writing?
Oh, not on Wednesday. It's the final push. Just figuring out the ending.
Alright, yeah, well.
And she don't want
Book's
to get
gonna be
recorded.
amazing, isn't it?
See, she keeps trying to push me.
Well, look,
All right, guys. Well, I'll see you next
I hate
time.
to do this, but